Dear students, sometimes we might make mistake while drawing in paint, in tux paint and in logo also. But in a paint and tux paint program, there is a eraser when we make mistake. We can use the pen erase command to make the turtle erase a line in a logo. We have to learn how to erase image which we have just drawn. For this purpose, the turtle has to use an eraser instead of a pen. The turtle changes from the pen mode to the erasing mode with the new command, that is pen erase or the shortcut PE. PE is used for pen erase, means erasing a line. And next is the PPT command. PPT is used to stop the turtle from erasing, means to make the turtle draw again, we need the new command, that is pen paint or the shortcut of PPT. Then we will see now one example. Just we will draw one square. For that we are giving here command FD FD 100 RT 90. Now we will repeat this 4 times command, then square will come. Again one time, your square will come. Now we will use here PE command for erasing the line. Whatever we draw, we want that erase. Then we will use the PE command. Then again you have to repeat this. First we type here FD 100 RT 90. Then it will erase. Then FD 100 RT 90 again. FD 100 RT 90. FD 100 RT 90. In this way you can erase your command by using the pen erase command. Next is again for drawing, we will use the PPT command. Otherwise your drawing will not come now on a screen. You can see FD 100 RT 90. Again it will turn your turtle, but anything is not coming on a screen. Then for that we will use PPT, means pen paint command. Pen paint command. P means pen, P means paint, PPT. Pen paint. PT means pen paint. PPT command. Then we will type PPT and again we will use this command for drawing. Then your square will come again on your screen. In this way you can draw your square again by PPT command. Now next is the PR command. And what is the use of PR command and how we will do calculation in logo, that I will show to you in next video.